everyone, welcome back. It's Melissa of Butterfly Planner, and today I'm going to be doing my plan with me for this next week. I will explain in the next video on Thursday where I've been and all that kind of stuff. I actually filmed that one first just because I had a lot to say, but that one's going to be fun. And it talks about my birthday, and it's kind of a vlog too, so it's kind of like a fun little mix. Anyways, I am going to be using the glass slipper kit from my shop along with the add-on sheet, and yeah, this week is pretty straightforward. It's going to be mostly a get stuff done week, so I am just going to try using the mini kit. I feel like I used a mini kit in this planner, but it's been a really long time if I have. And I think I used the extra boxes and stuff, so this is going to be a challenge. But really, the only thing going on this week that's like anything of like consequence is that on Friday is my other nephew's birthday. And so probably be doing stuff for that. We'll definitely have plans of taking him to ice cream like we did my other nephew Jake, and then we went to dinner with him and his parents, so, you know, the whole family. So that is basically all that I have planned for this week, but we will see. I always say there's not like a lot gonna happen, and then my weeks fill up. It's crazy. Okay, so get this bottom washi down, and this one should be a really quick plan with me because, like I said, it's just pretty straightforward. But yeah, I don't know. Excuse me. Okay, so I'm gonna use this supper and then grab this washi to go with it. And I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest of this. I'm probably gonna need to go find some deco or something to fill up this sidebar, but I have no idea. So I think I'll just kind of put it somewhere in the middle. And then we'll have this one. I have a paper cut that I got yesterday while I was filling orders, and it has gotten infected, and of course it's on my index finger of my right hand, and I'm right-handed. Wow! Could we have gotten more crooked? Probably, but that's a little excessive, Melissa. Even I can't let that go. Is it? Yep, it's because I put this one so crooked. Oops. Boy, did I. There we go. I always do that. So I have a slight astigmatism, but it's only in one eye, and the other eye is basically perfect. So I tend to see things I think are straight, and then they're not. It's nuts. I was gonna put a cooking sticker there. La la la. No one wants to hear me sing, but I'm going to make you guys listen to it anyways, because I'm weird. Whoa. I found my cooking stickers. Here we go. I guess I just use this cooked dinner one. Oh, I pulled the stickers out. Here, I'm just gonna do it like, actually, maybe I'll layer it over a piece of washi. Oh, I put that. Okay. I don't want dinner in 2 spots, but I do want to put the dinner down here. So I'm going to kind of do it like this, a little weird and wonky, and I'm going to replace this header with something else. I still have no idea what I'm going to do with the rest of this space. Are there, oh, there are. Okay, I can put some habit trackers down. That'll help take up some of that room. Ow. Just do like that. Like, I'm a wise space planner, but this is like too much already for me. This is, just feels weird. So I'm gonna put, you know what? I'm gonna put a to clean on this right here, and I can put down like an item or area I cleaned. That way I can kind of like get caught up on that. Okay, throw that sticker away, and let's get our full boxes. I'm gonna do like every other day. We'll have, and we're just gonna go in order, and I'm going to stagger them to make it a little more interesting. I think on the days that I don't have a full box, I'm going to put a sticker or a checklist. Let's do a purple one so we don't have yellow next to yellow. Like that. Double checking that I'm recording. So we have that one. Then we'll go over here, do another yellow. Skip that. We'll do right in the middle just because, and then this one right at the bottom. And then we'll do blue and purple checklists. And we'll put them up at the top just because. Sometimes it's hard to do this like while I'm filming because you have to make sure you're on camera, but it's not always the easiest. Okay, there we go. Okay, then like I said, Friday is my nephew's birthday, so I'm gonna grab all this sticker. I know this is not like the most masculine kit. I had planned to do a different kit, but I didn't have it printed, so oh well. Let's go like this, and then we can just put there for his birthday. I have this one, this checkbox. Maybe I can put like use this gold one and see if that'll fit. Just give it a little bit of space. This up there. Does that look silly because it looks all bunched up there, and then like maybe we can move all of this down a little bit. Hopefully. Sorry this is hodgepodgey. I should have thought about this a little better. I think it's turning out okay though. There we go. I had already pulled it up enough times that it was okay. There we go. I think that looks better. Yeah. Okay. I think that's it. Oh, there's probably gonna go, it probably won't get canceled, so my nephew has a baseball game on Tuesday. It's been getting canceled due to weather, so yeah. Still have all these stickers that I can use throughout the week, and if I need to, I can always print off more for myself. But there we go. That is what this looks like, and if you want to see how it turns out, make sure you follow me on Instagram at @thebutterflyplanner, and I will see you guys in the next one.